Hey, Tech Guide Ninjas here. Hope you're having a good day today. So today we're looking at how to create a resume in Google Docs. So to start with, open up your Google Docs account so you can create a resume from scratch by clicking to open a blank document. But there are so many great templates for free. It's much easier and quicker just to use a template. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to click into the template gallery, and you can see right at the top there's different resume templates you can choose from depending on what industry you're in. So for today's tutorial, I'm just going to click on the modern template and see what that looks like. And as you can see, it's got lots of different sections: name, skills, experience, education. So if you're happy with that template, all you need to do is just click into each section and add in your own information. Scroll down. Of course, if there's any section that you don't want, you just need to highlight it and you can delete it, and then keep on adding your own information until you're happy with what you see. When you want to download that, all you need to do is click on File, scroll down to Download, and click to download it as a PDF. I hope that was helpful. Please like the video and subscribe. I will see you soon.